In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon account password. Keeping your password up to date is one of the simplest ways to protect your personal information and orders, and the whole process only takes a couple of minutes. Start by opening your web browser and heading to www.amazon.com. If you aren't already signed in, Amazon will prompt you to log in before you can make security changes. Once you're on the homepage, look to the upper right corner for the Account and Lists menu. Click it to open your account dashboard. On the Your Account page, find and select Login and Security. This is where Amazon stores your key account details. Depending on your settings, you might be asked to verify your identity here. This can be a quick password re-entry or a one-time code for extra protection. Go ahead and complete that verification if you see it. Inside the Login and Security section, locate the Password area. You'll see an option to edit this information. Click Edit to begin changing your password. Amazon will now show you fields to confirm your current password and to enter your new one. First, type your current password. Then, create your new password. For best security, choose a password that's at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other websites and steer clear of easy-to-guess details. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a strong, unique password there. Next, re-enter your new password exactly the same way to confirm it. If the two entries don't match, Amazon will let you know so you can correct them. Some accounts may also display a strength indicator. If yours suggests improving the password, consider adding a few more characters or mixing in different types of symbols. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Amazon will apply your new password right away. In some cases, you may see a confirmation message or an option related to staying signed in on your other devices. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear. That's it, your Amazon password is now updated. Remember to update it in your password manager or anywhere else you've stored it. As a final tip, consider reviewing your security settings later to make sure everything is current and secure. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to follow along step by step as you change your password.